Oh, the bitumen, the car lights are skimming in my heartbeat. I'm listening, the citizens, I pity them. Commence the attack, jump a fence at the back. Clinkety clink, goes the contents of my backpack. Mad fat burner stand staunch in the dim light as my hoodie disappears into the dim night. Midnight strikes for the heads nocturnal. Creatures of the deep peek their heads out like a turtle. A sirens hit the distance, getting edgy here. A stumbling drunk smashes his half empty beer. Tempted by fear, exploring the alleyways. A creeping like a cat with the shadowy gaze. Abandoned buildings give me a comfortable feeling. And with the fire hydrant blast, I leave my name on the ceiling. Feel that crispy breeze, I reach a freaky height. So playground today is my city at night, right?
Tense by the field, exploring alleyways, getting eerie here in the shadow days. Tense by the field, Love Street is calling me, getting edgy here. It's where I wanna be. It's where I wanna be. Oh, and do we do? Levitate, even try and levitate to a higher mind state. You can navigate my heart rate, but act fast before it's too late.
Oi mate, what did that man just say?
He said, watch that boy with the curly mustache. He looks a bit dodgy and he might steal your cash. He'll tempt you and tell you that his hair's real soft.